Duolingo has 500 million users and a near perfect App Store rating. Most of the users still can't hold a basic conversation though. After testing both Duolingo and Pimsleur for Spanish, here's which one actually gets you speaking, and which one just keeps you clicking. Pimsleur is rooted in the Pimsleur method, aiming to simulate the way you obtained your first language. The core of their program is audio. Their audio lessons typically take about 30 minutes to complete, followed by reinforcement drills. Duolingo's lessons will take you about 10 minutes max to complete. Sounds great, right? A Spanish lesson a day for just 10 minutes a day is something most people can definitely dedicate themselves to. The quality of your learning experience varies greatly between these apps though. In a Pimsleur Spanish lesson, you'll be walked through a conversation featuring native Spanish speakers. In these exercises, you will be pushed to practice your recall by being prompted to respond as one of the speakers. These lessons are purely audio-based. There's no transcript to follow along with, so you're truly going to get the experience of building your ear for Spanish as it's naturally spoken. This might sound daunting, but there are plenty of resources with Pimsleur that make sure you're seeing the material from a different lens. It did not worry me that there was not something else for me to do during these lessons. Once I took a few lessons, I appreciated being able to relax and take in the information without any distractions. I liked the Duolingo lessons, which kept me engaged enough to maintain a streak over several months. But Pimsleur's audio format gets you ready to engage in real conversations. That's what Pimsleur is training you for. Not to recognize Spanish when you see it written on a screen, but to produce it when someone is standing in front of you waiting for an answer. It's easy when learning Spanish as a beginner to become overwhelmed with all the new information you're being taught. The audio focus makes it easy for you to concentrate because you have nothing else to pull your attention. Due to the gamified nature of Duolingo, it may be a bit difficult for you to absorb what you're being taught. Duolingo has you complete a few different drills every day, from basic matching, fill in the blanks, and listen and repeat exercises. Apart from these drills, there are short listen and response scenario exercises, but they're very basic and only last a couple of minutes. You're also rewarded in the app for completing lessons quickly. So if you're just trying to click through to finish and gain points, that information isn't going to be retained. Another gripe I have about Duolingo Spanish lessons, besides the lack of speaking practice, is the absence of practical language use. I found that the words and phrases I was being taught in Duolingo's lessons were lacking practical context. I could spend an entire unit learning how to say things like, "I don't like coffee or popsicles," instead of learning how to introduce myself or ask for a cab. Pimsleur Spanish audio exercises focus on practical and natural language, meaning you'll be getting the time in to learn things you'll actually use and speak in a way that's culturally appropriate. Despite all of these amazing features with Pimsleur Spanish, you still might be leaning towards Duolingo because they offer a free version. I quickly found that the free version is egregiously limited, and you'll have to get through pesky pop-up ads. I also am not a fan of their energy system that's used with the free version. Your energy drains no matter if you're completing drills correctly or not. Once that energy is gone, you have to wait to try again the next day. To get past this, their Super Duolingo subscription will cost you about $13 a month. If you want more speaking practice with Duolingo, you're gonna have to pay for it. With the Call Lily exercises, you're put into a simulated conversation where you verbally respond to the character and try to maintain a conversation. Duolingo Max is only available on mobile devices and will cost you about $30 a month, making it over twice the cost of Duolingo Super. Pimsleur pricing is simple and sweet. Pimsleur Spanish costs $20 a month, which is less than Duolingo Max. Plus, for just $1 more, you can get access to every language course that Pimsleur offers. Just $21 a month to learn multiple languages. If you want to try out Pimsleur with a free 7-day trial, use the link in the description. In the Pimsleur app, you can find the Enrich section, which has a whole suite full of mini audio lessons that cover different real-life conversational topics, grammar, and culture. I found the culture lessons to be the most helpful for me because I like to take people's customs into account when learning a new language. It makes Spanish easier to understand and helps you figure out when it is appropriate to use informal language, as well as how to address people. These minis are great for any learner trying to build a solid foundation of Spanish speaking for a trip that they can later build on. Another downside I found with Duolingo is there's not a clear path building you up to reach a high level of fluency in Spanish. At best, you might be able to reach an intermediate level. Even if you're in a time crunch to get Spanish basics down before a trip, the quick drill format doesn't help you here. In just a few Pimsleur lessons, I felt much more prepared to respond verbally to someone. I know the lessons are longer than Duolingo, so you might be a little turned off if you have a busy schedule. You'll definitely have time to complete a Pimsleur lesson every day though, thanks to the flexibility that the audio lessons give you. You don't need to be planted in front of a screen or tapping through drills. To complete these lessons, you just need to be able to listen. That means you can slide your phone into your pocket or set it on the counter while getting tasks completed around your home. Pimsleur Spanish has also made the app very accessible to other devices. Let's say you don't want to use your phone, you can use your Amazon Echo device to play lessons at home. Do you have a lengthy commute? You can maximize your time by completing a Spanish lesson in your car, thanks to the app being integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So which app should you learn Spanish with? Pimsleur or Duolingo? The winner for me here is easily Pimsleur. You're building your ear for Spanish right from the start and getting actual speaking practice in. You might feel fulfilled by looking at that hefty Duolingo streak, but if you can't hold a conversation in Spanish, all of that time means nothing. For a full detailed review of both apps, features, and my own hands-on experience with both, check out the article over on our website. All you have to do to find it is Google Guide to Fluency, Pimsleur versus Duolingo Spanish. We'll also be giving away a free language learning subscription to one of you lucky subscribers. It's super simple to enter. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Adios, buena suerte.